Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Caring Guy. Today, we're taking a look at a serious piece of aerial tech that's bringing pro-level features down to a portable size, the F for GPS drone. If you're looking for ultra-long range, mechanical stability, and intelligent flight, stick around, this one is impressive. Unrivaled stability, the 2-axis gimbal. Forget shaky, wind-affected footage. The biggest selling point of the F for drone is its stabilized 2-axis mechanical gimbal. This is absolutely critical for capturing smooth, cinematic video. Unlike many drones in this class that rely only on electronic stabilization, the F for physically dampens vibrations and keeps the camera level, even as the drone moves. Paired with this gimbal is an escape camera capable of capturing stunning 4K HD footage with a 120-degree wide-angle lens, and you can adjust that camera angle remotely to frame your perfect shot. Range and endurance that go the distance. The F4 is built for long-haul flights. Powering this drone is a large 7.4V 3500 mAh intelligent lithium battery, delivering a robust 25 minutes of flight time. But the real game changer is the control range. We're talking about an incredible 2,000 meter or 2 kilometers flying range. That means you can send this drone far and wide to capture epic landscapes and sweeping views, while its GPS system provides the confidence you need for long-distance flights. Intelligent flight modes and recovery. The GPS system isn't just for stability, it unlocks a suite of automated modes that make creative shooting incredibly easy. Multi-point flight route planning. You can simply set a route on the map, and the drone will fly it autonomously, allowing you to focus completely on camera work. Mobile flying around. Select a target, and the drone will orbit that point, creating dynamic rotating footage while always keeping the lens aimed at your subject. Smart follow. Whether it's GPS follow or image follow, the F4 can automatically identify and track a subject, keeping them center frame as you move. Safety is also paramount. The F4 features reliable GPS functions like one-button return, which is smart enough to aim the lens at the operator when returning home, and it will automatically return home upon low battery or signal loss. Plus, there's even an aircraft retrieval function on the app that shows you the exact last location on a map if you lose visual contact. The 4DRC F4 is a substantial upgrade, giving you the flight time and, critically, the mechanical stability required for truly professional-looking videos at a consumer price point. If you're serious about aerial photography and need that 2 kilometers range, this is a drone you need to look at. What's more important for your footage, the 4K resolution or the mechanical gimbal stabilization? Let me know which feature you're most excited about in the comments below.